Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to become affiliate or how to get affiliate link or affiliate account in Systeme.io. So all you need to do is first have an account. You can be subscribed to the free plan, so it will be for free. And yeah, if you don't know how to do this, you will find a video in our channel showing step by step how to do this. And then you go over this dashboard and press on affiliate dashboard, and then you scroll down, you will see your affiliate link, and then all you need to do is just copy this link and share it on social media or on YouTube or any place, so people can log in using it, and then you can see your commissions and everything. Now you might ask, how can I withdraw those commissions or those payments that I get for the affiliate? So all you need to do is go to settings and then go to affiliate commission payouts, and then choose the method, wire transfer or PayPal, and then just link your email that you used for PayPal here, and then you will be able to withdraw all the commissions to your PayPal account or to your wire transfer as well, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.